has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bryan County and southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Atoka County and southeastern Oklahoma until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Blue, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durant, Caddo, Bauxito, Bennington, Kenneth, Armstrong, Blue, Utica, Albany, Lane, Wade, Bentley, Darwin, and southeastern McGee Creek Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now let's check on your local forecast for Sherman, Denison, and Surrounding.
I knew this thing wasn't going to activate. Thankfully, I had this also. Look at the lightning on this thing.